Keeping frozen drinks at home sounds easy, until the blender turns everything watery, loud, and weirdly uneven. A good slushy machine changes the whole mood. No ice bags, no guessing, no sad half-melted drinks. But some models are party heroes, while others feel clunky. So today, we are counting down the 7 best slushy machines worth knowing. All the links are in the description, so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Ninka Slushie. This one feels like the friendly countertop machine for people who want frozen drinks without turning the kitchen into a blender crime scene. The Ninka Slushie uses its cooling cylinder and spinning auger to freeze liquid evenly, so you are not chewing ice chunks 1 second and sipping syrup the next. You pour in coffee, soda, juice, chocolate milk, or even wine, pick a preset, and let it slowly become that smooth, icy texture everyone secretly wants on a hot afternoon. I like that it keeps drinks frozen for hours, because parties never move on schedule. Someone always arrives late, someone wants a second round, and someone suddenly decides frozen lemonade is their personality. The texture control is helpful too, especially if you like thicker drinks than the preset gives you. Just remember, sugar matters. Sugar-free drinks need the right substitute, or they will not slush properly. Cleaning is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, although the wait can feel long at full capacity. Still, it is easy, quiet, and very family-friendly. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Bkppm. The Bkppm machine is for the person who wants options. Not just one cute frozen drink, but a small menu. Its 6 preset programs make it feel playful right away. Slush, spiked slush, chilled juice, milkshake, frap, even ice cream-style treats. It gives you room to experiment without needing bartender confidence. I can imagine this sitting on a kitchen counter during a birthday party, with people casually wandering over like it is the most interesting guest in the room. The 70-ounce capacity is generous for families or small gatherings, and the real-time display makes the process feel controlled instead of mysterious. You can see what is happening, adjust texture, and even use the reservation function so drinks are ready when people start asking, "Are they done yet?" It runs quietly enough that it does not dominate the room, which matters when everyone is talking nearby. My only criticism is that the controls may feel like a lot at first, but once you learn it, this machine becomes a fun, flexible, frozen drink station. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Vibofrost. This pick has that modern appliance feeling where it wants to remove friction from the whole slushy ritual. The biggest charm is speed. In the right conditions, it can start turning drinks into smooth, frozen treats surprisingly quickly, which is perfect when the craving hits now, not after everyone has emotionally moved on. The presets cover margaritas, milkshakes, fraps, and more, while the custom chill mode gives you room to chase your own perfect texture. I like the flexible capacity because it does not force you to make a giant batch every time. You can make a solo treat on a random Tuesday, then fill it higher when friends come over. That makes it feel less like a party-only gadget and more like something you might actually use. The light-emitting diode display is clear, and the safety lock is reassuring in a busy kitchen with curious kids around. The self-cleaning mode is a real relief too. The only catch is recipe sensitivity. Sugar levels matter, but when dialed in, Vibofrost feels smooth, practical, and nicely polished. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Wetie. The Wetie machine feels like the one you buy when you want big frozen drink fun without giving up half your kitchen counter. It has a tall, compact shape, and that matters more than people think. A lot of slushy machines look exciting until you realize they occupy the same emotional space as a microwave. Wetie keeps things manageable while still offering an 82-ounce container and enough room for parties, backyard barbecues, or one extremely dramatic movie night. The start knob keeps operation simple. Pour in juice, coffee, milk, or a wine-based mix. Choose the mode, and let the machine work. The 5 preset options make it approachable, while the temperature adjustment lets you fine-tune softness or thickness. I especially like the continuous refill idea. During a gathering, stopping the whole machine to reload drinks breaks the vibe. This keeps the rhythm going. Cleaning is also better than expected, thanks to the detachable outlet and self-cleaning mode. It is not instant with every recipe, but for easy entertaining, Wetie feels smart and social. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Vevor X80. This is where the countdown starts feeling less like a kitchen gadget and more like a miniature drink bar. The Vevor X80 has 2 separate tanks, which immediately changes the party. One side can be margaritas, the other can be fruit slush for people avoiding alcohol. and suddenly nobody feels left out. That small social detail is huge. The machine becomes a gathering point instead of just an appliance. Each tank holds a serious amount, so it makes sense for birthdays, game nights, neighborhood parties, or anyone who likes hosting without constantly refilling. The rotating blades help keep texture even, and the 5 programs make it easy to move between coffee slushes, cocktails, milkshake-style drinks, and regular cold drinks. I appreciate the texture levels because people are oddly personal about slush. Some want spoon-thick, others want easy sipping. The self-cleaning mode helps after the fun is over, though the machine is definitely larger than casual users may need. But for entertaining, Vevor X80 feels powerful, flexible, and genuinely exciting. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Wetie. The Wetie Slushie machine earns its high spot because it feels like the sweet spot between home-friendly and party-ready. It has enough capacity for family gatherings, but it does not feel intimidating. You pour in juice, wine, or a milkshake mix. Choose the preset, and the machine starts creating that smooth, frozen texture without ice. There is something oddly satisfying about watching liquids slowly change into a proper slush, almost like the drink is performing for the room. The 6 preset modes are useful, but the 10 thickness settings are where it gets personal. Some people want a loose frozen lemonade. Others want a thick spoonable frap that barely moves. Wetie lets you chase that exact mood. The light-emitting diode display keeps things clear, and the quiet compressor means it can run while people talk, snack, or play cards nearby. Self-cleaning also makes ownership feel less annoying after sticky drinks. My only note is that you still need to respect sugar and alcohol ranges. Get the recipe right though, and this machine feels consistently impressive. Did you like it? In the description you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Vevor X300. This is not the machine for one quiet drink after dinner. This is the machine for events, cafes, concession stands, bars, church gatherings, sports days, and parties where people keep coming back with empty cups. 2 large tanks let you serve different flavors at the same time, and each one can be controlled independently, which makes it feel genuinely commercial. The transparent tanks are part of the appeal. Colorful frozen drinks spinning inside automatically make people curious. Put bright lemonade on one side and a margarita-style mix on the other, and suddenly the machine is basically advertising for itself. The control panel is straightforward, with cold drink and slush settings, temperature control, timing, and automatic cleaning. The stainless steel body feels durable, and the drip tray plus spring-loaded faucet help keep the counter from becoming sticky chaos. It is large and definitely more than most casual kitchens need, but for volume, presentation, and dependable serving power, Vevor X300 wins. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best slushy machines that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.